Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are diving into an in-depth review of the Insta360 GO 3S, the latest action camera from Insta360. This compact powerhouse promises to capture your adventures with unmatched clarity and convenience. So let's explore its features, performances and why it might be the perfect addition to your gear. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button. An overview of the Insta360 GO 3S. The Insta360 GO 3S is designed to be the ultimate portable action camera, weighing just about 35 grams. It's incredibly lightweight and compact design, making it perfect for on-the-go shooting. And it features a magnetic body that allows for versatile mounting options, ensuring you can capture every angle with ease. Performance and battery life. Equipped with a powerful sensor, the GO 3S shoots stunning 4K videos at 60 frames per second and captures 12 megapixel stills. The flow state stabilization technology ensures smooth footage even in the most dynamic environment, with a battery life up to 120 minutes on a single charge. You will have plenty of time to capture all of your adventures. Now let's talk about camera quality. The Insta360 GO 3S excels in both video and photo quality. The 4K video resolution delivers crisp, detailed footage, while the 12 megapixel photos are vibrant and clear. The camera's HDR mode enhances dynamic range, ensuring well-balanced exposures even in challenging lighting conditions. Let's talk about key features. First we have a magnetic design. Next, flow state stabilization, ensuring smooth gimbal-like stabilization without the need of additional equipment. AI editing. The Insta360 app offers AI-powered editing tools to quickly and easily create polished videos. Hyperlapse and time-lapse modes, capturing dynamic time-lapse videos effortlessly. Waterproof and rugged. With an IPX8 rating, the GO 3S is waterproof up to 4 meters, making it perfect for water-based activities. Now let's talk about connectivity and storage. The GO 3S supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, making it easy to control the camera and transfer files via the Insta360 app. It comes with 64 gigabytes of internal storage, giving you an ample space to store your videos and photos. Let's talk about ease of use. One of the standout features of the GO 3S is simplicity. The one button operation makes it easy to start and stop recording, and the intuitive app interface simplifies file management and editing. The magnetic mounting system allows for quick and secure attachments to various surfaces and accessories. In conclusion, the Insta360 GO 3S is a versatile and powerful action camera that excels in portability, ease of use, and video quality. Whether you are an adventurous seeker, a vlogger, or just someone who loves capturing life's moments, this camera offers the perfect blend of features and performances. And well, that's the end of this video. So I hope you enjoy and watch till the end. As always, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button. See you next time. And bye.